सी डैश की वैल्यू है 20 प्लस एल की वैल्यू है 18 प्लस समेसन एन 320 माइनस समेसन यू 50 10 50 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 150. So it is factor of safety is equal to 2.882. Now next example is a vertical cut is made through a homogeneous soil mass having C equal to 20 kilonewton meter square. Phi is equal to 20 degree, gamma is equal to 16.5 kilonewton meter cube. Using Kuhlmann method, determine the shape depth of the cut by using FOS, यानी कि factor of safety is equal to 2. So we have a phi is equal to 20 degree, so given है FC is equal to 2, I is equal to 90 degree. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल CM फाइंड करेंगे, तो CM is equal to C upon FC, 20 divided by 2, so it is 10 kilonewton meter square. Now 10 phi m is equal to 10 phi by 2, so 20 degree divided by 2, it is 0.364 divided by 2, it is 0.182. तो phi m is equal to 10.31 degree, so H is equal to 4 cm sin I cos phi m. It is Coleman formula for H, 4 cm sin I cos phi m divided by gamma 1 minus cos I minus phi m. So 4 into 10 into sin 90 degree cos 10.31 degree divided by 16.5 in bracket 1 minus cos 90 degree minus 10.31 degree. So it is 2.91 meter. Now next example is a 8 meter deep cutting has slight slope of 1 in 1 by 2 h by h. Jump 1 vertical, the soil was tested and found to have the following properties. C is equal to 24.5 kilonewton meter square, E is equal to 0.8, phi equal to 14 degree. Determine the factor of safety with respect to cohesion against failure of the slope when water level in the cut rises up to full height. Given G equal to 2.7 for beta 34 degree, stability number SNR, phi 6 degree, SN is equal to 0.122, 7 degree 0.116, 14 degree 0.0074. C is equal to 24.5 kilonewton per meter square, it is given. Phi is equal to 14 degree, it is also given. G equal to 2.7, E equal to 0.8, SN equal to 0.74 for a phi equal to 14 degree, I equal to 34 degree, H equal to 8 meter. When the cut is full of water, so we have equation for that, gamma saturated equal to G plus E, gamma W upon 1 plus E. So G equal to 2.7 plus 0.8 multiplied by 10 divided by 1 plus 0.8. So it is 19.44 kilonewton meter cube. So gamma dash equal to gamma saturated minus gamma W is equal to 19.44 minus 10, so 9.44 kilonewton meter cube. So now factor of safety, so we have is equal to C upon gamma dash HSN. We have C equal to 24.5 divided by gamma dash 9.44 multiplied by H is equal to 8. SN is equal to 0.74. So it is FS is equal to 4.38. So in this way we can find factor of safety, then failure against the slope when water level cut rises up to full height. Now here next example is a 12 meter high embankment is inclined or a side at angle 30 degree, so phi is equal to 20 degree. If the shear strength parameter of the soil are given, C is equal to 15 kilonewton per meter square, so C is equal to 15 kilonewton meter square, phi is equal to 20 degree, I is equal to 30 degree. Find factor of safety, so it is FC. Available against slope failure, the unit weight of the soil is also known as equal to 18 kilonewton meters cube. Unit weight of soil is 18 kilonewton meter cube. Stability number SN is equal to 0.025. So we have C, gamma, SN and H. C is equal to 15 kilonewton meter square, gamma 18 kilonewton meter cube, SN 0.025, H 12 meter. I is equal to 30 degree, phi equal to 20 degree. So Sn is equal to Cm upon gamma into H. So 0.025 is equal to Cm upon 18 multiplied by 12. So Cm is equal to 5.4 kilonewton per meter square. So Fc equal to C upon Cm, so is equal to 15 upon 5.4, so it is 2.78. Alternatively, Fc is equal to C upon gamma into H into Sn. So C is equal to 15 divided by 18 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 0.025. So Fc is equal to 2.7878. So in this way we can find factor of safety of the stability of the slope.